Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to use a few products from Primark in this tutorial, and the first one is this Berry Velvet eyeshadow palette. It's only €3.50 and it has 9 colors, so it looks very good for now. And this unicorn blender for €2 and a concealer. The first product I will use is this concealer. It smells very weird, but it has a good coverage, as you can see. I'm gonna bake my under eyes with the Huda Beauty baking powder in pound cake. I will use this Wave 228 brush and this pink color to blend it all over my crease, from the inner corner to the outer corner and back. When you have baking powder on your scarf. After that, I will take this darker pink color with this Wave 231 brush and I will blend this on the outer V of my eye to make it darker. Blend the outer edges with the same light pink shade from the Primark eyeshadow palette and the same blending brush. Time to cut the crease. I'm doing this with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15 and the Real Techniques detailer brush. I have hooded eyes, so I'm cutting the crease above my natural one. Tap on the concealer with a buffing brush to remove the excess of the concealer. After that, I'm applying this shimmery color on the inner part of my lid with the Essence flat eyeshadow brush. The second color for my lid is this one. I'm applying this with my Zoeva 234 brush. And blend everything together with the colors you applied before in the crease. I'm going to use this unicorn blender to blend my concealer, and as you can see, it blends everything very well. And it's easy to blend the small areas because of the small point on the blending sponge. It's time to blend the same pink colors on the lower lash line. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner with the Zoeva 230 brush. and this H&M eye pencil in the color Pale Nude on my waterline, and this Primark mascara for my lashes and my bottom lashes. So this is the final look. I like all the products I've used, especially the eyeshadows. They are so pigmented, and the shimmery colors I have are not easy to apply with a brush, but these are amazing. They came off easily. Give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!